Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can take a bullshot photos in the Samsung Galaxy A04S. So I just start open the camera app, then go to the settings in the photo section and look for the swipe shutter button to check that you have a enable take bullshot. It should be defaulty. And now just take your phone, tap on the shutter button and slide it a little down. As you can see, we took 16 bullshot photos, and now if you want to select one of them or few of them, just click here on this little icon in the gallery, select your favorite photos, and just tap on this icon. Now you can save the selected pictures, and you also can delete the rest of them. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.